Hello. Today I'm excited to share some key updates from the Coaching Actuaries team. Last year, we began a discussion about change. We made a promise that you could count on Coaching Actuaries for support in your exam journey. Not only did we strive to assist you in adapting to and then navigating through the SOA and the CAS exam changes, we also unveiled our brand new logo and we refreshed our older course videos. These were big steps, and they were just the beginning. Today, Coaching Actuaries is excited to announce that later this week, we will be releasing a major update to our platform. Let's take a quick peek at some updates that you can expect. Our team has invested months into planning, designing, and developing the next iteration of our platform. From a brand new user interface to quality of life improvements and an overall improved exam prep experience. We are confident that these enhancements will take your exam preparation to the next level. Also, it will give you many reasons to count on us on your path to becoming an actuary. And we cannot wait to get these updates to you very soon.